Yo, guys, what's up? It's an absolute bloodbath this morning. If you look at crypto bubbles, check out all the red here. Absolute bloodbath. But it's obvious why. The daily charts across cryptos are losing the 60 line on Market Cipher B. Just big bear divs all around. It's a new month, the month of December. And so the previous month's anchored VWAP, the November VWAP is beckoning on all these charts. So ETH probably another 8% down there. Bitcoin, I honestly think Bitcoin really could do that move I was talking about in my last video. I think it could go down there and you have this like trumpet pattern here. It's kind of broadening pattern if we go down there. It's hopeful because you got these rising anchored VWAPs. If you come down to that November anchor, get another green dot down here in these waves with this thick green money flow, you just go bullish again. But at the same time, I'm weary about this next year's year-to-date VWAP that spawns on January 1st. It's going to be a very important hurdle for us to get over if we fall under the New Year's VWAP and 2024's year-to-date, this purple line down here. That's terrible. So if in early 2025 we are trading under like the 60Ks, it's not going to be pretty, guys. We're probably going into like a bear market. Like, look what happened over here. This is like the last cycle, the 2021 cycle. Just to show you guys what can happen when a new year spawns. You slap that 2021 year to date, slap in that 2022 year to date, and like leading up to 2022, you see this big dump in Q4 of 2021 down to the year to date. And then we fall under 2 years VWAPs. And there's definitely a fight, but then the bear market begins. So really, really hoping that there isn't some sort of crazy move like all the way down to the year to date. I really, really hope that's not happening. I hope that we just kind of get this like modest November VWAP correction and continue up. But I don't know, guys. I don't know. Look at the weekly. There's a weekly sell signal. Look at this weekly sell signal on Market Cipher. The monthly, definitely bearish divergent. You see the lower high on the momentum wave here, whereas the price went insane there. And we are over the 60 line. It's still runaway train momentum, but how much higher can that go? And we go to Bitcoin's daily, and you see that we lost the 60 line long ago, and now it's just a even more confirmed daily bear div. Just strongly, strongly implying a dump down to that November anchor, 88,000. So we lose 90K and we spook a lot of people. That would be a good place for Bitcoin to start going up at. It's an ascending monthly anchor. Should be strong support. But we'll see, guys. We'll see. The alt's really not doing good. Look at ETH BTC. Risking losing its status as doing well in relation to Bitcoin this quarter. Again, just like it did back here. So maybe ETH BTC, even though look at the monthly on ETH BTC. It's super, super bullish green dot here, but there just may need to be some play. If we go back to the daily here, maybe there's a right shoulder here to this. Not really sure. Not really sure. Let's take a look at Sol here. Sol around its November anchor. Now you can see that Sol already got its monthly correction. So like December comes around And it was real easy for Sol to like immediately get that dumped down to the previous month's VWAP. So Sol maybe headed towards a test of the quarterly anchor here, down at 194. XRP, very, very overextended. Let's put a VWAP on that November 1 there. So, yeah, the November and the October VWAPs are really close because of how hard Ripple pumped. So, looking for a Ripple correction, like a 26% dump down to like a $1.50, $1.35. Those Ripple people on Twitter are going to be so salty. I mean, look at the daily here. That's a gigantic bear div. Look at Ripple on the weekly. You're getting a sell signal about to confirm. Yeesh. Yeah. Sui is a favorite, overperformer. It's looking a little sad on the daily here too. Oh, I gotta do Pepe. Where's Pepe at? Pepe on the daily, again, looking very, very bearish divergent here. Let's get that November anchor cooking here. Pepe looking to potentially come down 17%. Down to about 18 there. We'll take a look at Link. Link is a coin that I want to start stacking. Looks like Link could probably come down to 18, 17 bucks. Like a 12% dump, 20% markdown there. Link on the daily, losing the 60 line. Link on the weekly, about to print a sell signal. Monthly actually still heating up here. It's definitely still got juice on the monthly on Link. What if we check Link ETH? Link ETH still looking good on the monthly here. The weekly here is looking a little bearish, and also Link came up and it retested a lot of its previous years quarterly VWAPs. And so it is at like some macro VWAP resistance here. It probably needs to come down, scoop down one more time, and then pull up like well into 2025. It's going to take a while for this chart to kind of cook and start really turning around. For instance, you could see this DBSI is still sloped down. Like this needs to go flat and then it can turn up. So I think that the timing, the market timing, a lot of people may have gotten it wrong based on Bitcoin potentially finding a top here at 100K. ETH finding a top at 4K. Those are definitely some good psychological numbers. Those are like, it's almost too perfect for a top. I wouldn't call it the cycle top yet. I think that when the new year rolls around, guys, and I can analyze the new year-to-date VWAP, I'm going to have a lot better job calling a cycle top or not. But for now, I want to see the interaction around the November anchors in cryptos. Can the stock market just giga pump and give us a green light or something? Not really sure, but honestly, I'm leaning quite bearish. You guys might see me posting some short profits here if this thing keeps dumping down to that November anchor. But anyways, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll do another update once we get down there.